One of the great features on many turn bikes is the ability to stand and roll vertically. This can come in particularly handy when you need to maneuver or park your bike in tight spaces, like in an elevator or on a train. In this video, I'll show you how you can vertically park and roll your bike, as well as some tips to make it easier. Step 1. Make sure that you are vertically parking on a flat area. You don't want to park on a sloped surface where gravity could get the better of your bike. Step 2. Stand next to your bike and hold the handlebars with both hands. You can stand on whichever side of the bike you feel more comfortable. Step 3. Apply the rear brake and begin walking backwards. Depending on which region you're in, the rear brake lever could be on the left side or the right side, so make sure you're holding down the rear brake lever. A good tip for pulling the bike up is to focus just on walking backwards rather than pulling the bike up from a standstill. And lastly, step 4. Make sure that all contact points on the rear of the bike are touching the floor. These points are what will keep your bike stable while vertically parked, so make sure that all points are fully on the ground before letting go of the brakes and handlebar. Some additional things you could do to ensure that your bike doesn't tip over while vertically parked includes turning the front wheel over to the side to avoid it from swinging down and destabilizing the bike. We also highly recommend securing your vertically parked bike to something sturdy, because you never know when a strong gust of wind or an unsuspecting person could knock over your bike. And just like that, your bike is vertically parked, which can take up less space when parking indoors and provides easy access to the bottom of your bike for doing basic cleaning and maintenance. If your bike comes with a Fisys handle post, you can reduce the profile even more by flat folding it. To roll your bike, put both hands back on the handlebar and engage the rear brake. While standing behind your bike, tilt it forward until only the rear wheel is contacting the ground. Then you can slowly release the rear brake and start pushing forward. A helpful tip for rolling your bike is to extend the seat post and use your belly to push the bike forward from the saddle. To unvertically park your bike, engage the rear brake and slowly tilt the bike forward. Then you can just let gravity do the rest. So there you have it. Now you know how to perfectly execute vertical parking and rolling. Well, maybe you need some practice, but it's as simple as that. We hope this video has been helpful, and we would love to see where you vertically park your bike. Be sure to tag us at Turn Bicycles on social media and share your photos. We can't wait to check them out.